Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. I just wanted to tell you how my mom ended up getting acute myeloid leukemia, or AML. Um, she smoked before I was born. So smoking is a huge risk factor that has been linked to AML and is estimated to account for 20% of the cases. Exposure to benzene, which is a chemical found in cigarette smoke and used in manufacturing, can increase the risk. When my mom went into the hospital, the doctor had asked her, "Do you smoke?" And she said yes, but she had just quit before she went into the hospital after a very, very long time of smoking. She knew she was really sick, so she quit smoking. So I just wanted to share that with you. So if you are a smoker and you've been smoking for a very long time, exposure to benzene can increase the risk of getting acute myeloid leukemia, which is terminal. So just thought I'd share that with you.